Good day, SQL people. In the last video we created this Materialized Lake View. It has backticks as quoted identifiers, and under DBO you might need to refresh this. We can see that we have a table named blah with a column called column, which is of type integer. Now, what if I had a column with a capital letter and a table with a capital letter? Let's rerun this. Let's open the Explorer now and refresh the schema again. Well, it's not redone the table name, but it did do the column name correctly. What should we do to correct this? We need to set some properties. Another thing we want is a space in the column name. And we get an error. It fails. We have invalid characters in our column. All these characters selected here are forbidden, because of course your project manager wanted these in the column names. Let's just get all of these forbidden characters in there. The space, the comma, the semicolon, curly braces, everything gets in there. Let's put in an actual enter in and an actual tab, and let's see how far we can get with this. We're gonna have some TBL properties, table properties. Delta.column mapping mode to name, minimum writer version to 3, and then minimum writer version to 7. Then we can set the case sensitivity to true. We're gonna set these session settings. We're gonna have the case sensitive to true. It needs to be by Spark. And then we can set the session setting. Now that we've set this session setting to true, we should be able to create this Materialized Lake View with a capital B. It is done. Let's open the Explorer tab. Let's refresh the schema and let's refresh the table. Yes, it does look correct here in the Lakehouse view, but the T-SQL endpoint will not get this. So let's drop the table now. And now we can rerun our create or replace Materialized Lake View statement. There we go. Let's refresh. We get a new table. The T-SQL endpoint meta data sync is a little slow, so the old table is still in there even though we dropped it. As always, thanks for watching and see you next time.